You've just upgraded your gaming PC, you've got the latest graphics card, tons of RAM, a super fast processor, and you're ready to dominate. You jump into your favorite competitive game, everything's running smoothly, and then it happens. A sudden stutter, your character freezes for a split second, and boom, you're out. You check your frame rate, and it's perfect. So what gives? If it's not your PC, what's causing that soul-crushing lag? Chances are, the culprit is your network. I'm not just talking about your internet speed. The real enemy for gamers is something called packet loss. Think of the data from your computer to the game server as a convoy of tiny cars. Your internet provider's job is to get that convoy to its destination. But sometimes, their chosen route is full of traffic jams, potholes, and detours. Along the way, a few of those cars get lost or delayed, that's packet loss. And in a fast-paced game where every millisecond counts, even a tiny bit of packet loss can mean the difference between a glorious victory and a frustrating defeat. I've been there more times than I can count. I remember one specific ranked match where I was about to land the final game-winning shot. My aim was perfect, everything was lined up, and then my screen just hiccuped for half a second. The next thing I knew, I was staring at the respawn screen. I was so mad, I almost threw my mouse. I checked everything, my drivers, my in-game settings. I even called my internet provider, who swore everything was fine on their end. The problem wasn't the speed they were giving me. It was the inefficient path my data was being forced to take. So, how do we fix this? How do we tell our data to take a better, more direct highway to the game server? This is where a VPN, or virtual private network, comes in, and maybe not in the way you think. A lot of people associate VPNs with privacy or watching shows from other countries, but for gamers, they have a secret superpower. A good gaming VPN creates a secure, private tunnel directly from your computer to a server that is strategically placed closer to the game's own server. Instead of your data bouncing around through your internet provider's congested public network, it takes this exclusive express lane. This private route is often much shorter and more stable, bypassing all the common traffic jams on the public internet. The result? Significantly less packet loss and a much more stable ping. It's like having your own private highway straight to the game server, ensuring all your data packets arrive on time. Every time, you get a smoother, more responsive gaming experience, not because your internet is faster, but because it's smarter. I know the world of VPNs can seem complicated. Which one is best for gaming? How do you set it up correctly to get the lowest ping? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've put together a complete guide that breaks down everything you need to know about using a VPN for gaming. We go over the best providers for gamers, how to choose the right server for your specific game, and step-by-step instructions to get you set up in just a few minutes. That full guide is linked right down in the description below. So before you go out and spend more money upgrading a PC that's already a beast, take a look at your network's route. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't hardware, but a better path for your data. Stop letting bad routing and packet loss ruin your games. Take control of your connection. Thanks so much for watching. Check out that guide in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to level up your gaming experience.